right, let's check out this real deal Corvette here, 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, 396, 425 horse. And yes, this is the correct engine and correct tranny for this car. So it is a true big block car, original engine, original tranny. Original color inside and out was a black car, was a black interior car. 900 AA would be the black paint, and STD for standard trim. Black vinyl. Now this also has a Muncie M22 rock crusher in it, because we do have the window sticker on this car. I'll buzz down it for you quick. Soft Ray tinted glass, all windows, electric power windows even, so power window car. Special front suspension and rear suspension. F40 would be your RPO code on that. Does have a G81 positive traction rear axle according to the window sticker. Transistor ignition system. There's your L78 optional 425 horse 396 engine. 4-speed Muncie close ratio heavy duty trans M22 teakwood steering wheel, telescopic steering column, special cast aluminum knockoff wheels, white wall tires, AM FM radio and backup lamps, and inside day and night mirror. So there's your options. You can check out the still pictures. I got the protective plate, I have the stampings for the engine and the tranny, the window sticker, all the pictures of the car. Check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Now of course you can look down below this video in the description. There's a link, click on it, that's going to take you right there. Also feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Don't expect this one to stay around too long. Paint on it, nice condition. Would I say concourse or perfect? No, but extremely nice driver quality paint. You are going to find a few little blemishes, like lots of times you will, a little older paint, but overall very nice shape. As far as everything working in this car, headlights, yes, they do flip up nicely. AM FM radio works great. Windshield wipers works great. I did notice the clock didn't work inside, but other than that, everything seems to be functioning as should. This vehicle has always been in our area. The gentleman that has previously had it just decided it was time to part with it. Let somebody else enjoy it. There's your 4-speed manual transmission again, that M22. And there is an original owner's manual, a service manual. I also have pictures with. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to ask your sales associate when calling in or emailing us. Now, I also wanted to show you over here real quick. Car cover will go with it. There's a few just generic floor mats that are in there to protect the carpets, and then the packet with that owner's manual, the protecto plate, and the other miscellaneous paperwork that will go with it as far as window sticker. As you can see, driver's side just as nice as the passenger side. This car will definitely turn some heads and be popular with Corvette fans, no doubt about it. All right, door panels, nice shape, carpeting, headliner, and again, you can check out all these areas in the still pictures. We'll have them all covered and then some. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Hear how it sounds. Now the odometer reads 36,212. We cannot confirm or deny miles. You would have kept that from the original ownership. That we do not have. It appears that all gauges are working. Now the one thing I did want to mention that we did notice, the water temp gauge does read high. It is indeed running at 170 to 175. We believe that the sender would need a little different resistor in it with a different ohm reading for that to even out. But just want to let you know about that. Car does not run as hot as water temp gauge says. Like I mentioned before, I did notice the clock was not working. AM or FM radio does work. Our window switches down here has had a repaint. Take a look underneath the hood here. Numbers matching, $396. Nice and tidy like you'd expect. Nice smooth running car. Alright, one other thing I want to do is I want to run those headlights up for you. Show you that they do work. Be able to do this from outside the car here. A little shot of them if you can see them coming up. Rolled up rather quickly. Nice and evenly also. There you have it. Alright, 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Black on black, the way it would have came from the Chevy dealer in 65. Numbers matching $396 and a 4-speed M22 transmission. This is a good one, folks. Here's your chance. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we can assist you with transportation. Financing is available. Of course, we do consider trades, and this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your associate when you call in. Give us a call. Don't foresee this one lasting too long.